Baby, pray for me. Tell me now, who's the boss? I got this thing on lock. Everybody can't get enough. Slap that bass and funk me up. I'm so lit, I feel like fire. I'ma come and take you high. You've been waiting for this. Tell me I'm the queen. All eyes on me when I'm on the scene. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me now. I'ma show you how I do. Just watch me now. Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me now. I'ma show you how I do. Just watch me now.
Hi, Rain! Happy birthday! Diyos ko, eto na. This is it. Finally. Matatapos na yung stress natin. Sana mag-enjoy ka, tsaka sana gumanda rin ng panahon. Basta, all the best in you.
Si Ate Rain, mabait na bata. Madalas moody. Nag-aaral naman ng mabuti sa naalagaan niya yung mga kapatid niya.
Si Rain, syempre maganda, katulad ko, sa akin nagmana. Yun lang, masungit, pero mabait naman.
Happy birthday, Ate Rain!
I love you!
Hi Rain! Happy birthday! Ngayon legal age ka na, sana makinig ka pa rin kay Ninang Chris and kay Tita
Happy
Len.
birthday, Rain! I wish you all the happiness in life. Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon. We love you!
Rain, nak, happy birthday. Love na love ka ni Mami, Kati, Daddy Jay at buong family natin. Lagi mong gagalingan sa laban ng buhay. Go!
Ate Rain, gusto ko lang ipaalala sa'yo that you are loved, you are raised, you are enough. Tandaan mo yan, ha?
Lumaki kang mabait, malaga, at puno ng pagmamahal. Huwag kang matakot harapin ang mundo, anak. Dahil napakatapang at napakaganda ng puso mo. Happy 18th birthday, anak. Mahal na mahal kita at hindi magbabago yun.
Always love life. Lagi mong tandaan, marami kaming nagmamahal sa'yo. Kaya, lagi kang may backup sa lahat ng nagmamahal sa'yo.
Rain, gusto kong tandaan mo to, mahal na mahal kita. Sa bawat hakbang mo sa buhay, nandito lang ako. Kung sakaling mapagod ka, huwag kang mahiyang bumalik at magpahinga sa yakap ko.
To both of you, everything I've achieved is because of your love, support, and sacrifices. Please know that I truly appreciate and love you both with all my heart.
Even